Welcome back. It's me, Bubba, the man behind the pumpkin. What we're going to show you today is Bubba's patch. We patched the split pumpkin. We made it to day 32. We had to make a decision. Join us today. We're going to show you the decision we made. And I'd like to tell you, I'm not the world's best grower. Maybe not necessarily on that 2,500 pound path, but I've been growing pumpkins for 25 years and plus. And we have a lot of good information to share with you guys. You want to grow some backyard pumpkins? Join us today. We're going to start a little series on growing backyard pumpkins where you can grow 4, 5, 6 pumpkins on a plant, as many as 10 on a plant. And I'm going to give you little pointers and tips on how to do that for the next couple months. That's exactly what we're going to do in Bubba's patch. Please join us. It is July 20th, day 32. This morning I taped it. It was 479 pounds. We just taped it again. It's 120 inch now in circumference. It grew an inch today in circumference. Now you don't need to cut that. I don't want you to cut it. I just want you to grab it and pull it off. Jackson's going to pull the patch off because look at first. Wait a minute. Show him first. Wait a minute. First of all, down here, see? Down here. It's. Let me see if I get a good footage of that. Yeah, it's popping loose.
Right here.
It's popping loose. Go ahead and pull it off. Let's see what we got. Pull the patch off. What do we got? Ooh, that even caused it to crack more. When you did that, that was, wow, that was holding some pressure on it. That took some pressure off it and it cracked even more.
Yeah, it's rotting.
Let's see.
Rotting in there.
Well, that's the black foam. That's the black foam I sprayed on it originally. But now look, let's see. Get back, Jackson. Let's see what kind of pressure.
I'm gonna see if there's any. Can't we just harvest it today? Don't you think there'd be some good seeds?
Do you want to harvest it and then let the plant start growing? Because this is stopping the plant from growing.
Yeah, that's what I want to do.
And actually, by looking at this, Jackson, yeah, it's starting. It's going to start to rot.
Yeah.
So you want to? That's a pretty big blow. So what do you want to do, Jack?
Cut. Actually, you don't want to cut right.
You want to grab a knife and or the Sawzall. Let's go get the Sawzall. Okay, I'll go grab the Sawzall. All right, Jackson, we've decided. We voted on it. We're going to go ahead and cut it. Take the drywall keyhole saw. Jackson, we're going to cut the stem off first because we want to save the plant. And when this thing, if it busts in half.
Where do I cut it at? Like middle or?
If it busts in half, I don't want it to damage the plant.
Up a little more.
Yeah, right there. Right there. Just go ahead and cut it. Cut it. You kind of going at the wrong angle there, but go ahead, change your angle. I guess you're all right. Keep going. We're going to cut it off. I don't want to damage the plant because we want to keep growing more plants so we can grow 4 to 6 more pumpkins. All right? Good job, Jack. Good job. Yep, my old drywall saw. Had it for a long time. Be very careful of the plant. I don't want to hurt the plant. There you go. There we go. Now this is probably 500 pounds, so I'm not going to try to move it. Now, what do you want to do, Jackson? You want to take the Sawzall to it?
No, you.
You want me to? All right, then you tape. Here. You come here and record. It's about 500 pounds. Here's the Jack-O-Lantern. We're going to have to grow you a new Jack-O-Lantern.
Can I give it a
We had your name on there. We did this when it was 8 days old. We put the name on it. What are you doing? My guard spider. Guarding the pumpkin. Gets insects. All right. That's why I pay him the big bucks. Keep him growing. Smiley face. Nice, Jackson. Nice. We're making the best of a bad situation, right? But we're going to try to save the seeds. Here, you take the camera. All right. This thing, I think, when we pulled the patch off, that new crack shot up 2 more inches. So that was the pressure. That patch was stopping that pressure. So let's do this first. Let's do this. Let's try this.
Smiley.
Are you back?
Yeah.
All right. Now let's take out the plug. And what do we got? Let's look inside. Show them inside, Jackson. Give them a sneak peek what it looks inside.
Like that, but I already can tell that the seeds are mature. Look at them.
Can you?
Mm-hmm.
Are they mature? Look. Yes, yes, they're mature. They're more mature than Bubba ever has been, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's right. Just ask Mama Bubba.
They're like a fully grown.
Look at that.
Mature. They're really mature.
Oh, yeah, that's a hard, viable seed. Yeah, baby. Let's see what else we got. Hopefully there's more. Yeah, there's some more.
Huge camera.
Hold on. I got spaghetti on my fingers. Oh, yeah, look at all these seeds. There's lots of seeds. So we're going to share these with commenters. All right, we're going to share these with commenters. You'll have to pay $5 postage, shipping, and handling. But let me know if you'd like to grow it. This is the 2,593. And hopefully we don't get too many people requesting it. Let's say the first what, Jackson? The first 10 people?
Yeah, first 10.
The first 10 people.
Yeah, first 10 people.
And you pay $5. If you send me $5 on PayPal, I will send you the seeds because that'll cover the shipping, the bubble, and that pretty much will cover it.
Yep.
Look at that. We got seeds. All right, baby. Woohoo!
See you back when we're done getting the
Jackson,
seeds out.
Start yanking out the guts, Jack. Come on, you're a dumpster diver. Don't worry about this stuff. Here, get this stuff out there. Get this out the way.
That's a seed. $500.
You see how thick it was in the blossom end? It was. Well, it's 2 inches thick. I just think it was growing so fast, combined with ununiform watering, low sulfur, low boron. We need to be higher. But just pulling them out, Jack, in big chunks.
Okay.
Pull out the big chunks. Show them the mass. Show the new people that have never gutted one of these big pumpkins. Show them the flesh, the big chunk of flesh you pull out. There you go. Now, what do you got there? Any viable seeds there? Yeah, look, right there's one. See, that's a viable seed.
What's that mean?
Viable? Viable is a $12 word for good. It means it should germinate. It's a $12 word.
This is not.
These are not. Show them the ones that aren't good. The ones that aren't good. Oh, there's a good one. Possible good one. We'll have to dry them out. After they dry out, we'll see if they're still hard. But you got ones that aren't. The white ones. See these white ones? These white ones are not good. These white ones that are sucked in, they're concave.
Like this?
They're not good. Those are no good.
Maybe.
All right, so there you go. Day 32. We made it to day 32, 500 pounds. So we grew her like 100 pounds after it split. All right, awesome, baby. Checking out the inside of a 500-pound pumpkin. Let me see. This is the inside of a 500-pound pumpkin. Scary. Join us at Keep It a Secret Home and Garden. Keep it a secret, but go tell a friend. We've got some of the best pumpkin seeds on the planet, bar none. Join us. Go ahead, Jackson. How thick is this thing?
I'll see. Pretty thick.
Pretty thick. He's punching it. All right. Don't hurt yourself there, Hulk Hogan. I really believe it was worth the effort. So here's some seeds here. You can see these white ones, thin, but then there's a good one. Jackson, pick off that good one right there. See?
Where?
Right there in front of me. Pick off the gold one, the good one. Go up. You had it. That's a good one. Now, if you're not sure, Jackson, if they look half and half, keep them. After we dry out, look, there's another one. There's another one that might be iffy. Take that one. Okay, that's what they look like, folks. If you're looking at them, the real white, paper-thin ones are definitely not good. There's a group now, but see, in this group, here's one that might be good.
These are 4 good
So we're
ones.
getting lots of seeds. Woohoo! I think it was worth the effort. And now we've relieved the pressure so the plant can now start getting more nutrients. And we'll grow more for the kids. Check it out.
Oh, this is a bunch
Check
of
it out. Is there anybody in there? Hey, we're lost. Hey, help me find my car keys and we can drive out of here. What do you say, Jack? Hey, I got lost in a giant pumpkin. When I was lost in there once, I ran into a guy that lost his car keys. He said, help me find my car keys and we can drive out of here. Because I told him, hey, help me find my flashlight and we'll walk out of here. Get it? All right. I told the joke backwards. Okay, it's all good. Keep pulling out the seeds, Jack. I know there's bunches in here. What's this bunch? What do you got?
Not good.
Not good?
Good. Two good ones.
On the top of the pumpkin. These are all good ones, Jack. Look at that. They're all good ones.
Oh, man.
Look at that. Scored, baby. Scored.
Look at all these good ones.
Look at this. See that rot? It was starting to rot. We made the right decision by harvesting it. Hey, Green Thumb Gardening out in Sacramento, he was asking, do you think it's starting to rot? Well, it was just a hint of rot right there, but not bad at all. But it was time. I'm glad we harvested it. It was not a mistake. What I've noticed is the most of the mature ones that have mature clusters are in the top half of the fruit. We're pulling them off the ceiling and we're getting more mature clusters. All right, let's go to town, baby. Let's go to town. Yeah, baby, yeah. Here we go, pumpkin pie for the neighborhood. Here we go, man.
I can break it with my butt.
Can you? You got a big butt, Jack?
Oh, yeah. This thing's a snap.
All right, jump up on there, buddy. Jump up on there. You can do it. Come on. I won't stab you. All right, jump. Jump.
No, you
Mac Daddy will make you jump. Jump. All right, ready? Okay, now jump up there. Move the blade.
No, I don't want to fall.
Come on, I want a funniest home video. There you go. Okay, stick it. Ah! Oh, look at that baby that baby is, how thick is that? That's like 7 inches thick right there. Look at this. Look at this. Ah! Oh, I'm gonna get you, Hulk Hogan. Ah! There it is. This is more fun. I haven't had this much fun since.
Kindergarten?
Look at, oh, look at more seeds, more seeds.
Yeah, we've got a better view.
Oh, there's a seed there. Oh, it's Bubba pumpkin seed. We're gonna share the seeds with the world. Everybody's got a pumpkin on every porch. I think we pretty much got it. There's 3 more seeds. Not to hurt the plant. There we go, baby. Oh, another seed.
Watch some
Another
entertainment.
seed. Wow. All right. It's big time pumpkin wrestling over here, baby. She's 7. She's a good 7 inches wide. And that was a malnourished pumpkin. Still carrying that kind of, ooh, look at, she had a bubble bottom. The bottom was bubble concave. She didn't like the mat.
Hold up.
Go get your finger in there. You might lose a finger. Oh, the bottom's thick.
Oh, yeah.
Ah.
Where'd the knife go? Oh, here it is. To make pumpkin pie. You don't want to break one of the vines. I'll Hulk Hogan it.
Hey, watch out, move your leg. Okay, pull that over. Ooh, 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 don't break that vine.
Oh no, funniest home videos.
All right, I know what you're thinking, don't point that thing at me, it might be loaded. There we go, okay.
Whoa! There goes our seeds.
There goes our seeds. Oh, did I dump the seeds? Oh, God, now we got to get all the seeds back up. All right, here.
Let's just do demolition first.
All right, we'll do demo first. All right, here we go.
It's my demo.
You having fun yet, Jack? Careful, you don't stab yourself with that keyhole saw. Here we go. Here's the pumpkin. Watch out, Jack. Show them where the stem hits the plant. Here's how thick they are in the front. And actually, this was an underdeveloped fruit due to not growing in this soil before. We didn't know what to expect. I tell you one thing, next year we will know what to expect. Next year we will know what to expect, and we'll be low manganese, low sulfur. We'll have that all up to par. But Roger Daltrey once sang, "The song is over, it's all behind me. I should have known it, they'd try to find me." This is awesome. It's awesome, man. I can't wait to grow some new ones. Let's go check out the seed in the house. And, Grandma, I need a shower. I'm a stinking pig. I'm off to the dumpster. Keep in mind, this has got a hole down in it where the bench seat used to set. I think that thing was over 500 pounds. One of those chunks alone probably weighed a bag of cement, 80 pounds. Onto my seed drying screen. That's where I usually dry my seeds out in the basement. We'll place a fan on this, and they should be dry out in a couple weeks. And the first 10 commenters, like we said, the first 10 commenters who want to pay the $5 for shipping, we will send a seed to. We'll see how they dry out. It may make that 2 seeds, but we'll see. You'll get at least 1 seed. But let's see how they dry out, see how they feel after they're dry. Sometimes you might get a few foolers at this stage, but I'd say we got a pretty good 200 seed plus count. We'll let them set for about 2 weeks, and we'll get them dry. I just found this seed at the dumpster. You want me to bust it open? I'll sacrifice the seed to show you. All right, here we go. That's a slippery little thing. Well, let's see. Let me see. Is there meat in it? Yes, there's the meat. She's got meat in her. The seeds are viable. Both sides have meat in them. For joining us today, we're keeping it fun. Like I said, I'm not one of the greatest growers in the world, although some have proclaimed I'm possibly the greatest grandfather in the world. Hey, I'll take that. Not trying to be the greatest grandfather, but just trying to have fun with my grandchildren. They're the greatest joy I've ever experienced in my lifetime. All right, keep coming back, and I want to thank you. I'll thank you very much for joining us today.